Let's talk about the rental market in New Jersey, end of January, beginning of February 2024. The rents in New Jersey went crazy high over the last few years. It's not only in New Jersey, I think it affected the whole US. However, recently, what's been going on, we see a decline in rental applications and people are more hesitant about renting very expensive places. And I think one of the reasons why this is happening is, of course, the upcoming elections. For many people, elections constitute a deciding factor in making a lot of decisions in their lives. So people don't know what's going to happen, which party is going to win. And according to that, obviously, they put some kind of restrictions on themselves in making decisions about their finances. Also, I saw another agent on Instagram talking about this. She went even deeper into the topic of election affecting the real estate market. She predicted that the busiest season this year for real estate, both for sellers and buyers, is going to be from January till August, I believe she said, because afterwards the election craziness starts and people are going to put everything on hold.